So for this part of the lesson, we're going to have a look at how we use the product rule for counting. So it's a way of us trying to quickly work out how many possible combinations of things that there could be. So if you have a quick look at the two questions here, give them a try, see what you think you might do to work it out, and then hit play again when you're ready for me to show you how to do it. Okay then, so question 1, how many different 6-digit numbers are there that only include the digits 1, 2, and 3? So if we think about it, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 potential numbers, and that means each of them could be anything from the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So my options for this one would be 1, 2, and 3, so there are 3 possible options. Then my next one is, again, 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 possible options, and it doesn't actually change at all. So there are 3 possible options on each digit. Now, you could have sit there and listed them. So you could have gone 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, and so on. But you would be there for quite a long time at this point. And obviously, they've got 6 digits. So we could have done like that. It would take you a very long time to sit there and work them all out. So actually the product rule is quite a quick and easy way for counting how many there would be. Now, hopefully you recognize the word product. Product means to multiply. Okay, so it's just a posh mathematical way of saying that one. So product is the same as multiply. And therefore you're doing 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And that will give us, in its simplified form, 3 to the power of 6, which you can then work out on your calculator to give you 729. Okay. We then have a look at question 2. So how many different 5-digit even numbers, so this is important, are there that only include the digits from 1 to 6? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits this time, but it needs to be an even number. So for an even number, it must end in 2, 4, or 6. Obviously not 0 and 8 because they're not in the range of 1 to 6. Okay, and therefore we think about all the possible numbers. So it could be anything from 1 to 6. So there are 6 possible numbers there. Again, this one's not going to change, nor is this one or this one. However, I've only got 3 possible options there. So I would then work them out using the product rule, so multiply them all together. In its simplified form, it will be 6 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3, which as an answer, we end up with 3,888 possible combinations. So as you can see, you wouldn't want to sit there and list all those possible combinations because you'll end up with a very long number. Okay, give the worksheet a try and then let me know your score on the Google Sheet.